Welcome to another video from Doc's Lock. We are on our way to find an elevator, and then we're on our way to find a door. Door is next to the elevator. Looking around here, I don't see too many elevators. Sorry, not elevator, we're looking for a lift. We found ourselves a lift. So the report is that the door next to the lift is faulty. So we're going to have a look and see what we need to do. Okay, so there's a door. It's a switchboard room. It's not good. Here's our door. This looks like it. Okay, so we have some passage handles. What used to be a 127, now they've put passage handles on there, and it looks like the latch is gone. Lucky I brought my pick kit. I'm going to go for a shim on this. Seen a lot of use. Put it in there. I reckon it's just a jammed latch. See what's going on here. Screws are on this side, that's good. Looks like it is retracting. This might have to be drilled off. Come on, fantastic plastic. Got a jammed latch real bad. Okay, drill. There's our handle. Here's our latch. Just looking to see if I have a wire tool. I don't. So it's shim or drill. Okay, no option, gonna have to drill. All right. Doesn't look good. Let's dismantle this. There we have it. dodgy cheap latch. Lane. It's not too bad. So basically it wouldn't pull back enough. You see? Wouldn't pull back enough. Alright, so that was our problem, a bad latch. Now we've got a 60mm back set, we can put just about anything into it and start again. Alright, thanks for watching.